Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to leave a community in Weverse. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to see all the communities that you've joined. So what you have to do is simply tap on the community that you want to leave. Now you'll be led to the profile of that particular community. You'll be able to find various options like highlight, fan, artist, etc. You'll also be able to see the posts over here. So if you want to leave the community, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Out of these options, find the option for leave and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the information related with leaving the community. The content you created will not be deleted. Your profile picture and your nickname will be maintained and displayed with the content you created. The badges and the badge cards you earned from this community will still appear in your collection. All the subscription within this community will be reset. Your following and followers info will not be recovered even when you rejoin this community. You cannot see your my profile page for this community. So if you're okay with that, what you have to do is check on this option. I have read and agree to the terms of leaving this community. Now tap on this option, leave. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Some of the information and benefits will not be restored even when you rejoin this community. So tap on the option leave. Now you can see over here you've left the community. That particular community will not appear in the section of the communities you've joined over here. So like this, you'll be able to leave the community. So that is how you leave community on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.